how to get unbanned from Claude AI. Here's how it works. You want to open up the browser on your phone or on a computer and just search for Safeguard and Warnings Claude AI. Click on the first link that pops up, Safeguard Warnings and Appeals. So click on it, and then here, if you scroll down, you will see Submit an Appeal as an option. Click on it to submit an appeal. Now it's going to ask you to sign in using either Google or your email, depending on how you have previously used Claude AI. And there you will just have to very formally explain why you think the ban was a mistake. Make sure you have not violated any of the rules which Claude AI has in store, and once you explain that you have not violated any rules, they will review your appeal, and if they approve it, your account on Claude AI is gonna get unbanned. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I will see you next time.